Hey guys, Jonathan here with TechWizTime, where I haven't been creating videos lately. And I'm really sorry. I've had a lot of things happen, health related, personal related, quite a lot of things. As you'll notice right now, I'm actually in a different room. I'm not actually living where I was before. It's in a different part of the state. So yeah, that's one thing, readjusting to living somewhere differently when you've lived somewhere for such a long time. I've still got my full-time job, so that's something that I'm doing pretty much 40 hours a week. So I really haven't had a chance to make any videos, unfortunately, due to a lot of issues. But I'm trying to make a comeback, and I figured I've got to make a first step somewhere. So that is this video, is to make a first step and apologize for not making any videos for quite some time. And yeah, pretty much trying to get back into it. Even when I've already recorded this video once, and the audio recorder that I use, the H4n Pro, the volume down button had actually snapped off the board inside, so I wasn't able to push the volume down. I recorded the whole thing, and the audio for that did not work out. So that was tough, because that was from the heart. It was everything that I wanted to say, and now I'm going off again. So if I don't cover everything, I apologize, but pretty much I am back. I will be making videos again. I can't guarantee on the time frame. I don't think it's going to be that whole Monday, Wednesday, Friday sort of video. Even, once a week might be a stretch at this point, but I'm going to definitely try and get new content rolling. As it stands, I've got a couple of videos. They're going to be simple though, just so I can get back into the rhythm of things. They'll be to do with Raspberry Pi, obviously. I'm hoping to eventually get back into making videos on different tech, especially Synology. I've got some little components there. I'm hoping to build a computer system, put that all together. I've got a little Mac, so I can do some Mac tutorials as well. I don't know if there's anyone out there that actually, that watches me at least, uses Mac, but we'll see. For those that are wondering health-wise, one of the things that some people know about me is that I have a autoimmune disease called sarcoidosis. And for most people that goes away within, a couple of years. For me though, it's been something that's really stuck with me, and it's basically gone through my whole body. So I'll have problems with breathing difficulties, especially problems with my muscles, my nervous system, a whole range of issues. And unfortunately, that's all got to do with this sarcoidosis. It's in a lot of different parts of my body, groin, lungs, and so forth. And yeah, unfortunately, there's no way of curing it. So I've just got to basically put up with it for now, and then hope it actually starts getting a little bit better. But a couple of weeks ago, I also dislocated my thumb. I was pushing down on something, and it pushed all the way backwards. So I've been having a bit of trouble with this hand. It's getting better. It's still painful though whenever I push down. I didn't break anything, but yeah, I've never dislocated anything before, so that was interesting. And like I said, I'm in a new place at the moment. It's quite a nice place. It's at the bottom end of Australia. It's cold. It's definitely a lot colder than where I was, but it's nice, and it feels relaxing, to be honest. And I think that's what I need right now. So in short, I'll cut it there. But I wanted to make this a video that I didn't do any cuts in. I wanted it to be pure, no editing, just what I was thinking at the time, so you guys knew that I am really sorry I haven't made any videos. I feel like I should have been, but unfortunately, just due to those few issues that I have, I wasn't able to keep up with any sort of schedule. So with that said, anyway, I really hope you stick around and For those that I haven't emailed back or messaged back or anything like that, I apologise. I really was not in the right frame of mind. Yeah, so I'm really sorry that I've been ignoring a lot of people. Anyway, with that said, I am going to start getting back into the groove of things with hopefully a video next week. We'll see how I go. I'm not going to push myself, but this is just to say, yeah, thanks for sticking around if you are, and if you're not, yeah, welcome back. And yeah, I'm imagining big things for the channel. So yeah, as always, imagine, learn, create. Thanks, guys.